From my recent clips, you might have understood that I had a recent trip to Dubai, and yes, it was amazing. We had an 8-day trip, and I would like to highlight some of the things for you all who would like to travel to Dubai in the near future or who are probably traveling. First, while booking flights, see the terminal of departure from Dubai. They have three terminals, of which Terminal 2 is the worst in all sense. Don't book the flight if the flight is from Terminal 2 of Dubai. Cut short your stay area wise, as commuting in Dubai is very expensive. Also, public transport doesn't have great connectivity. For example, for an 8-day trip, stay 4 days in Marina, 2 days in downtown, and 2 days in Dera Creek, not Bar Dubai. You can't do it all, so choose your points of interest and make an itinerary accordingly. They have vast number of activities and sightseeing places, but not everything is worth the money. Also, don't pre-book your Burj Khalifa, as every day in Dubai is not a clear day. Book it there and then when the day is clear to enjoy great views. I would like to highlight a scam. Scamsters in Bar Dubai. They will tell you solutions of hair loss and balding on pretext of just helping you. Don't trust them and move forward. It's all a scam of commissions. For eating, you have to try the local hummus in Dubai. It's amazing, it's outstanding. One of the restaurants that we loved the hummus at was Operation Falafel. And bon voyage. If you want to ask anything, comment. Subscribe and follow for more. Insta page Tharajin21.